So mo ni siya atong given guys for plotting the stars and our fixed position. So first, this is the given for our DR position, dead reckoning. We have latitude of 44 degree 10 minutes north and longitude of 169 degree on 30 minutes east. So first, we're going to get our DR position. To get the DR position, as you can see here from this scale, we have the 169 degrees, and by this scale we're going to count by 5 1 2 5 10 15 20 25 30. This is the 30 minutes and 44 degree 10 minutes north. So now we have our DR position. So this is our dead reckoning. So next step is we're going to find the ZN of Markov star. So first, we have the ZN of 85.2 degrees. So we're going to get the 85.2 degrees from this compass. So this is 90. And this is 90 degree, 85 degrees point 2. Next step is we're going to drag this line to our DR position. By the way, this star has the intercept of away. It is away from our ship. So going to draw this line from the Markov away from our position. And next step is to find the intercept. Intercept is 5.2 degrees. So to get the 5.2, naaro na siya diri. 1 2 3 4 5.2. Oops, diara. So now that we have our intercept, next step is to get the 90 degrees angle. So now this is our 90 degree angle. Next step is to drag this line to our compass to find the PL to the center of the compass. So next step is to locate the other star. We have a ZN of 183.3 degrees. So this is 183. This is 180. So here we find the 183. And then we're going to drag this line to our DR position. And next step is the intercept. And by the way, this is towards. Intercept is 6.4. So again, we're going to find our intercept from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.2. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. And next step is the 90 degrees. Now we have this line here. It serves as another PL. Going to indicate this as PL.
Yeah, guys.
Shout out sa Nangaon. No, this is ZN. Now, almost forgot. This line here, drag it again to our compass to find the PL. So now this is our PL for Rosal Hard. Ambot, di ko kasabot sa basa diyan. So from this intercept by our two, from the markup and the other star PL, this is now our fixed position. So we're going to measure this from this scale again. So we have we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 22. Our fixed position is 169 for longitude, 169 degree, 22 minutes east. Now for the latitude, our latitude is 44 degree and 1, 2, 3, 4. 44 degree 04 minutes. North. And also to measure the simplest way to find our PL is to add 85.3 plus 90 equals 175.3. So this is 175.3, which is checked from the PL to from the R star. And wala to, sakto na siya. Sa from the second star is 183 minus 90 minus 90 0.3 3 1 18, so 93. Okay siya. This is the PL for the second star. And I think that is all. Thank you for watching the video.